Hey y'all, it's your girl Nikki PinkkGoddess coming to you today with a public service announcement. If you find yourself with your friends that's in your circle and in your life, if you find that they are not supportive, they don't want to see you grow, they're not happy for you, then guess what? Those are not your friends. You need new friends. You need to make sure that you're surrounding yourself with people that want to see you do better and be better, because each and every day, that's what we should strive to be. And if you have people that's negative in your ear and they're not supportive of you, then you have got to shift circles, right? In order for you to grow to the next level and to get where you're trying to go, you got to make sure you're surrounded with positive and like-minded people. So some of y'all need to get some new friends. Evaluate your circle and see if you need new friends. And if you do, get some new ones, because you deserve better.